Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to optimize your photos for search engines in Hostinger Website Builder. First, let's log in to my Hostinger account. Then go to Websites and select Websites list. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. If you have a long list of different websites here and you want an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and the other websites built using Hostinger Builder, just look for this little icon next to each website. These first two websites are using WordPress, and the third one is built using Hostinger Builder. Click on Edit Website button. For this example or for this tutorial, I will use this blog post page in order to explain you how to optimize your photos or images in Hostinger Builder for SEO. To add a photo in Hostinger Website Builder, we usually click on Add Element and select this image element. We drag and drop it like that and we move on. This is not good. Why? First, the images provided or the free images provided by default in Hostinger Website Builder use images from the pixels.com website. Yes, this is free and they have a large stock of free photos, but these photos are large or big in terms of their size, which makes our websites load slower. To avoid this, go directly to the images service that they use. It's called Pixels. This is the website pixels.com. Search for your photo first, and when you locate your photo, you can copy it like that and go to this online alternative for Photoshop called photop.com. Now to pass your copied photo here, just click on Command plus V on Mac or Control V on PCs. Now do not touch this photo. All we need to do is to export it again in a lightweight photo. Go to Files first, then Export As and select JPG. Now the default width is more than 2000 pixels. As you can see, the current size is 245 kilobytes. It is already small. To make it smaller, just drop it down the width to 800 and something. As you can see, the image size turns down to just 50 kilobytes, which will make my page load faster. You can also use this quality slider to play with the image size. As you can see, the top quality makes the photo bigger in terms of size. Now click on Save. My photo is saved to my computer. Now, when I add my photo again, instead of going with free images, I will click on Upload Files. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Locate your photo on your computer, double click it, and click on Select. This is my first tip of how to optimize photos in Hostinger Website Builder. The second tip is to use the alternative text. Where is my photo? Select the photo first, click on Edit Image, and here Give your photo an alternative text to help it rank in Google Photos results and bring you some traffic. And also make it for people who have vision disability to scan your or to understand your photo. And also at the same time, this is, I think, this is an SEO factor that Google uses to rank your website higher. For example, you can just describe your photo. For example, a kid holding an axe in the backyard, for example. Now close this window and update your website. Let's view my website live. This is the blog post, and as you can see, it was instantly completely loaded, even though my internet speed is not that fast. And this is the photo, and if you place the mouse pointer on top of it, as you can see, the alternative text starts showing. And this is how to SEO optimize images in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comment below. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.